Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, this is the beautiful Urby in Dallas, Texas. Beautiful, gorgeous Urby in Dallas, Texas. This is a delightful one-bedroom den, and I'm just doing a quick walkthrough so you can see it. So we start by going into the door right here, and then this has a really pretty study. This is a great functional study. It's big enough to be an office, of course, but then you can also have a bed in here and use it for guests. You've got this beautiful, beautiful kitchen. Kitchen's just adorable. It's got this Scandinavian feel that's super fun. You can see there's just some really unique little touches that make it great. I love the open cabinets that are here. I love just even the backsplash is different. It's kind of this, I don't even know how to describe it. It's really cool, kind of stoned look. It's really, really cool. And then just it's white. It's just sharp and crisp. And then you've got some really cool appliances. These are all Samsung appliances, so they're smart. And that's how that looks. This is the living room. The living room looks great. I love all the windows that are here. And this is kind of unusual. It's got just these two windows. So the one here is full, and then this one is kind of split up. It's almost artistic. I love just little touches like that they've done. The floor is really, really light and nice too. This is the bedroom. The bedroom is really cool. Looks like this, really attractive. Fun here too. You're gonna have a lot of light in your bedroom. You can take care of it with shades anytime if you want just complete darkness, but you've got really nice light there. And then here's what it looks like inside the bathroom. The bathroom is super fun. It's got a great walk-in shower there, and it's super, super fun. Countertops, just really nice. It's just it's almost a creative person's dream to be in here. It's just a really fun place, and you're going to love the feel. Every square foot is used very, very nicely here at the Urby. Hey, if you have any questions about what you're seeing, or you're ready to say, hey, Grant, I kind of want to see a virtual tour, maybe see what's available for me that fits my time frame. Hey, that's a good idea. I want you to send me a text and request that. Just say, Grant, I want to set up that free virtual tour. And you know what? We can set up to see the Urby and just anything that's here. And if you want to talk about any of the other Best Dallas Apartments, we can add that to your virtual tour as well. Would love to help you find your perfect place here in Dallas, and we'll do just that. Send me a text and we'll take care of that right now. Again, it's always 100% free.